This is Sin, and I'm back with another video. And if you want to see what I'm working on today, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Alright, Print Squad, I'm back with another video, and today what I'm going to be doing is changing out the palette tape on my screen printing press. As you guys know, I went to the ISS show earlier this month in Fort Worth, Texas, and I got a sample of some PMI palette tape or PMI palette adhesive. I also got a sample of it from Rye Beats here on YouTube. He sent me some back a few months ago, and I had never used it. I had still had the same palette tape on my palette for a while now. So I think it's about time for me to try that. Everybody is talking about how much they like it. You don't have to use the spray tack and this and that. So I'm going to go ahead and remove my old palette tape and apply the new PMI adhesive. Let me see. Right here. So this right here is, if I can flip it the right way, it's actually the PMI adhesive right here, as you guys see. So that's what I'm going to be applying to my palettes. But first, I have to remove the old palette tape. See, like right here, I have just not been using that palette because it had newspaper stuck on it from when I was trying to do a test print. And then I have this palette removed that I was too lazy to put back. It's over here though, but I was using this one to do a kid size print, but today I will be replacing this one because I'm sure y'all was like, what happened to the other palettes? If y'all been watching my videos, and this one was one I had got some ink on, and this one. So yeah, as you guys see, my palettes are in need of replacing. Now, if y'all been watching my videos, if y'all been with me for a while, then y'all know how I remove my palette tape. It's a lot easier to remove if you heat it up just a little bit, so that it makes it, you know, I guess it kind of messes the tape up a little bit and makes it easier to pull apart. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to, the first one that I'm going to be removing, I'm going to take it up under the flash dryer for a little bit, and then I'm going to remove it. So as you see right there, I'm gonna put it under the flash dryer for a few seconds, maybe about 20 to 30 seconds or so. Just kind of leave it under there, and you know, just see how everything works out. I'm gonna move these out of the way so that y'all can see the one that I'll be working on. But that should be pretty good right there. Alright, so that heated it up a little bit. So just try to grab one of the corners and start pulling. And if you can keep a even, you know, be peeling it evenly, keep pulling it. Once you start pulling it, you get more of it up at once. But what you do not want to do is have it to tear into a lot of smaller pieces, because that way it makes it harder to peel off. So we got it going that way. Start from the edge, and I like to leave a little extra on the edges so that it is a little bit easier to peel up when you're trying to remove it. So right there, we got that one off pretty good. It's still a little bit more on there that needs to come off, but that one came out pretty good. So I'm going to try leaving the next one on there a little bit longer. Alright, we're going to bring this back over and try this again and see if we can get this whole thing off. Alright, we got that one off pretty good. And I had this other one up under the heat a little bit. So I'm going to go back and see if I can remove the rest of these little parts that were stuck on here. If I can get that, that would be awesome. I think I got about all I'm going to get off of there for now. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my blade so that I can put my new pallet tape down. I pretty much got what I could off of the pallet. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my tape. And the direction says use a damp sponge to reactivate, trim corners. Alright, so remove paper to expose adhesive. Okay, so basically what I'm doing, I'm just unrolling it right here. Let me check this. Okay, it is pretty much the width that I needed going this way. Y'all know that other one that I use is huge, so it's a little bit bigger than I need, but this one is actually a good size. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and start peeling and lay it down. Alright, so I went ahead and got my squeegee. So just gonna unroll it to a certain point so that I can lay it down on here. Actually need to move it over slightly. Trying to make sure I got enough coverage on here. Alright, so let me see. Just leaving a little bit hanging over the edge so that there will be something to grab when I get ready to remove it. This is super easy to lay down, y'all. Super easy. Alright, so I'm going to get my blade and go ahead and cut this off. Really? My blade acting like it don't want to cut on this little part right here. Alright, so once you have it down, you got all the air bubbles and everything out. Because there are a few little air bubbles. Let me fix that. Alright, I think I got it flat now. Just a little more on this side. Alright, I think I have it flat. Alright, so make sure everything is stuck down pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to zoom in on a little bit, let y'all check it out. So right here, as you see, the only thing that's left for me to do now is to peel the paper, to peel the back side of the paper off right here. So let me try to get that done for you. Alright, so we're going to grab this end right here. And we're going to peel. So as you see right there, I do have like some areas that I didn't know this was going to be clear like this. Yeah, trying to, it's a little bit hard to get everything the way I need it. For some reason it's just having a few little air bubbles and stuff in it. So hopefully that will work itself out, maybe with a little heat. So right there, the PMI palette tape is actually clear, as you guys see right here. It's clear, kind of like some real tape. Got a little bit hanging over the edge right there, so y'all can kind of see what everything is looking like. I didn't know it was clear. Alright, so I'm about to burn up my palette over there, so I'm going to go ahead and switch to the next one. I'm probably going to cut a little bit of extra off of here. I don't know, I may leave it on there because this part will probably eventually stick down. Okay, so we got that one done. We're going to move on to the other ones, and then I'm going to let you guys check them out. I did not realize that it was clear, but yeah, it's clear, and actually that should be easier to remove than the other tape. So I'm going to go on to the next one. Y'all, I do think kind of heating it up before you peel the tape off helps a little bit. If you heat it up before you peel that tape off, I think that helps a little bit. But if I had this cut straight, I wouldn't be having all these issues. But because I didn't cut it straight, let me see. this one will be all right. I think once I do something with it, it'll be fine. All right, so got them all on here. I'm gonna go ahead and peel the paper off the rest of these and let y'all check it out. So I'm gonna go around and cut off the excess if I can. So I have them all done pretty well. I don't actually have a screen printed order that I'm working on today. I'll be doing a little bit of sublimation and some vinyl shortly, but as you see right here, that is the PMI palette tape right there. And the next time I do an order, I will be testing this out. And that's about all I have for you guys today. If you liked the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed to both of my channels, this channel right here is the T-Shirt Chick TV channel, also known as the Green channel. And then you have the other channel, the T-Shirt Chick Live channel, where I do daily live streams Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. Central Time. And that channel is the T-Shirt Chick Live channel, known as the Red channel. So if you want to subscribe to both channels, you can wait to the end of this video, and there'll be two icons that you can click on. The red one is for the live channel, and the green one is for this channel. And go ahead and subscribe, and once you do, hit the notification bell on both so that you won't miss any of my uploads. And also follow me on Instagram at T-Shirt Chick TV, and join that Print Squad group on Facebook. And if you are interested in any of the products or equipment that I use to print t-shirts, check below this video. I always leave links for you guys, and I will see you guys in another video. Print Squad out.